Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the sleek and stylish JERDON two-sided tabletop makeup mirror. If you're on the quest for the perfect vanity companion, look no further. With its modern bronze finish and 6-inch diameter mirror, this tabletop beauty is not only functional but adds a touch of elegance to any bathroom or vanity setup. Let's talk functionality. The swivel design with its 360-degree rotation and extendable arm makes grooming and makeup application a breeze. Need a close-up view? Flip to the 10x magnification for detailed work like tweezing or precise makeup application. Switch back to the 1x magnification for your overall makeup routine or skincare regimen. It's versatility at its finest. But what really sets this mirror apart is its portability. Standing at 11 inches high with a lightweight base, you can easily move it around to wherever your makeup or grooming station may be. No more being tied down to a fixed mirror location. And let's not forget the quality. Crafted with metal frame material, this mirror not only looks good but is built to last. Plus, it comes with the assurance of a 1-year warranty, so you can trust in its durability. Whether you're getting ready for a night out or simply starting your day, the JERDON two-sided tabletop makeup mirror is your ultimate companion for achieving that flawless look. Say hello to your new favorite vanity essential. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.